Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video, and today I'll unbox Nike Revolution 5 EXT shoes, which are new release from Nike. I have purchased these shoes from Flipkart for myself, so this is not a promotional video. So let's quickly open them and talk about the specifications. So we've got the box delivered in a good condition here. I don't see any signs of physical damage here. All thanks to the e-card for the amazing job. This product is UK 8 size and made in Indonesia. You can also purchase the shoe from the official Nike website. They charge around 750 rupees for additional delivery cost. This versatile update to the Revolution 5 gives you a running shoes that can also be worn casually. Mesh on the upper wraps your foot in a breathable comfort. The updated swoosh features stitch details for a deluxe look. The Nike Revolution 5 EXT delivers a premium look and value adds on your day-to-day physical activities. Despite being the Nike entry-level running shoes, this still gives great comfort and has no compromises with the build quality. It has this lightweight cushioning, comes with soft foam to keep you running in comfort for long. A soft foam midsole delivers a smooth, stable ride. Its textured outer wall helps reduce the weight of the shoe. So yes, they are lightweight and they have good breathable support. The rubber outsole offers traction on a variety of surfaces. Spacing in the tread lets your foot flex naturally. I'll put them on in the end of the video to give you a better view. I got this pair in 2300 and after adding some more discounts it was 2000 rupees, which is a pretty good deal. So I would say this is a value for money. If you like them, grab your pair today. I'll put the link in the description. These shoes really look cool and very stylish to me. Again, it depends on individual choice. As soon as you put them on, you get the comfort and feel of what Nike promises to their customers. I'll now put them on and show you a 360-degree angle. So here they are. Quite comfortable. With this I tried rope skipping as well. I'll create another video with a feedback after a month or two with my overall experience. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.